pretty. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am recreating the Kylie Jenner makeup look that she did when she was on tour for Astroworld. I actually don't have any of the products that she used, so I just recreated everything using what I already have. This look was really fun, really easy, really simple, very minimal products. And if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm just going to prime my eyelids with a little bit of Layin Low from MAC. So using my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, I'm going to take this peach shade right here and set my eyelids. Using my Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to mix together these two shades on a blending brush. I'm going to work this onto my crease. So going in with a E25 Sigma blending brush, I'm going in with this color and a very small amount of this color. And I'm going to really define my crease. But I'm going to keep this color on just the outer portion. Now using the same blending brush, I'm mixing the first two original shades and I'm going to work this on my lower lash line. Using the same blending brush, I'm going back with the first two shades that I used on my crease and I'm popping this onto the lower lash line. So taking this brown right here onto an angled brush, I'm just going to create a very subtle wing, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. So taking my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, I am going in for the pop of pink. I'm going to be using this color right here, which is Star Power. And I'm taking a very small pencil brush. This is the Morphe M515 brush. And I'm just going to slowly start building this color to my inner tear ducts. So now I'm just taking a fluffier pencil brush. This is my MAC 219, and I'm just going to feather this out. Just diffuse this pink. So going back in with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend my crease color into the pink slightly, just for an even blend. So in Kylie's look, she didn't add lashes. I'm not sure if she had lash extensions or if they were her normal lashes, since she has pretty long lashes to begin with. So I'm just going to go in with my Salon Perfects in 614 since these are pretty natural. So now I'm going in with a really pink blush. This is Milani's Powder Rose, and Kylie really likes blush, so I'm just going to add a little more than I would normally. So going in with a little bit of highlighter, this is the Colourpop and Shayla highlighter in the shade Boomin. And I'm using a Morphe R31 brush. And I'm just going to add a very small amount of highlighter. She's very neat and precise where she places her highlighter. And she doesn't put the highlighter on her brow bone because she wants to keep her eyes really matte. But she does take a little bit of highlighter and just add it to the tip of her nose. So now we're going to work on the lips, and I'm just going to contour my lips a little bit to make it look a little fuller. And I'm just taking a little bit of my Hoola Bronzer, and this is a MAC Oval 3 brush. So now I'm going to line my lips with NYX Nude Truffle. So I'm not going to define my Cupid's bow. I'm just going to go straight across it. Like that. And I'm just going to fill in my lips with this shade also. So now that my lips are lined, I'm going to mix these two shades from NYX. This is in San Paulo and London. And I'm going to apply San Paulo first. And I'm just tapping this in and just blending it in with my lips. To lighten it up a little bit, I'm going to add a little bit of London. And I'm going to do the same thing. And just taking my finger, I'm going to pat it in. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.